So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how to fix iOS 14.2.1 update not available and not showing iPhone and iPad. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user report to in iPhone iOS 14.2.1 update not available and not showing on iPhone X, XS Max, XR 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, 6, 6S. So guys, this iOS 14.2 update available only iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max and 12 mini. So guys, this problem show on also iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max and 12 mini. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max? So guys, I give you some solution easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all, first solution is shut down iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general, then scroll down and tap on shutdown. In shutdown you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to solve your problems in iPhone and iPad. Guys, second solution is turn on and off Wi-Fi in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the step. First of all open the setting, then you can see also Wi-Fi. So please tap on Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. If you turn off Wi-Fi, so please 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on Wi-Fi in your iPhone and iPad. Easy to solve your problems. The third solution is reset network settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general you can see also reset option, so please tap on reset. Then you can see also reset network settings, so please enter your passcode and tap on reset network settings. Easy to solve your problems. The fourth solution is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps, and first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Then you can see also reset option. In reset you can see also reset all settings, so please tap on that and enter your passcode and tap on reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to solve your problems. The last solution is most important in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, turn on and off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then you can see also aeroplane mode. If you turn off, so please turn on aeroplane mode, then 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.